This is the press play team making a fire. Take 3, ne?
Yeah.
The light just took out.
So I'd like to think that
The flammable, what's it?
cooking oil, sorry.
Yeah.
Like there's no other thing you can use.
Yeah, dog. Oh. What the hell, bro?
Nah,
I. Are you ready?
why are you putting money away? I'm not doing this alone, remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alive and well, actually.
Dude, this video is gonna be so funny, bro. Guys that make fires hold candles.
The fuck?
The profession, dog. Oh shit.
Yes. Get in there.
Shit, dog. The expression. Give it more, dog.
Fuck. It's full into the can.
You're gonna burn, bro. Did that burn?
Nah.
Fuck.